Right, so we've done a bit of tidying up. Got all that there. Now, what we're going to do next is we're going to get the exhaust off this so we can move the front subframe off, and then we're going to push the shell all the way back into the corner for now. So then we'll just have the front subframe sat on the dollies down here, and then we can look at doing some work on that if need be. And also we're going to poke some more holes in the shell. So, bear with me. Say hi, Macaulay.
Hi, Macaulay.
Got hired help today, so we're going to be, because I can't move this on my own. I'm strong, but I'm not that strong. So join us in a moment. So we've managed to separate it. One big hard tug, pun intended. We've pulled it away. So now what we're going to do is we're going to pick the shell up. Oh, engine's off. We're going to pick the engine up, pick the shell up, sorry, and move it back into the corner there. So I'm just going to see if I can set the camera up for this. My other camera's still being a bit funny, so we're just going to have to try and mount this one somewhere. So bear with me. So we've got an engine out of a shell. I can already see a bit more rust than we'd already thought, but we'll take it as it comes. So next is to pick the shell up, because we're both hard as anything, and we're going to move it back. So, let's crack on. Right, so here we go, the test. Well, that's shit welding. Not too bad, not too bad. What's it like there? It looks like it could go. Maybe just surface rust, but that needs a whole lot of rear adjustment. Look at the state of that. Right, so let's have a look in here. All looks good in there. Loads of rubbish, but we won't worry about that. And we're going to go in here. This bit worries me a bit. Can you see that there? Is the camera focusing? I'll have to take a grinder to that to find out how bad that is. Right, what we're going to do, we're going to take the other shock mount off and we'll test how far it's gone in on that side. Right, so I've taken the bolts out, non-snap this time, which is nice. So you're seeing this the first time as well as me, so oh, joys, absolute joys. Look at this, chunks and chunks of rust. Yeah, yeah. Absolutely covered in rust. crumbling away. I can't just blame this on the weld that I've had. Well, I can and I can't, but this is years and years worth of abuse, let's face it. This is lots of people's cock-ups and cover-ups. So yeah, we've got another one, which is absolutely... And up there, look, all that's going to have to go. New scuttle panel we're going to put in. So that's what we found so far. So we're going to move the engine back in now. I'm really glad I took the gear package off because I want to replace all the seals on it. I actually want to take it all apart and see how it works and everything. That'd be nice. So the reason I took it out is because if you leave the exhaust on, yeah, you can't get that bolt out. So we're gonna, like I say, put the engine back now, and that's more or less it for today. I'll come back to you in a minute. Right, so we've got a bit more done. We've got the cones out, everything like that. All the arms out. We've got most of the suspension arms off, just the tie arm on this side, and that will be done. And we'll take the drive shaft off and everything. And go into the other side. Again, just a tie arm. That's stuck in there, that's welded in. Let's see if I can show you. I don't think you can see, but it's welded in there. The subframe itself looks okay, I think. I'll have to clean it all up and hopefully I can get away with that because I know they're pretty expensive then. So we've got all that. What we're going to do now is we're going to go and compare these, which are, if I'm not mistaken, they are Alex Moulton Avon VMS. I don't know if that's good, but there's two of them. That was stating that inside there. There's loads of sand in there, which means it's been on a beach at some point, I presume. So we're going to take these back now to look in the, I've got the other ones in the shed. We're going to compare the height difference. So, bear with me. So this is the difference in the cones. So yeah, I think they're pretty gone, to be fair. They're pretty short. So we'll bin them, and we'll be using them. Nice and chunky.